Ladies and gentlemen, this is Web3 Bro. Okay, right here, this platform just launched today. Yes, launched about an hour ago. It launched by 15 o'clock, which is 3 p.m. in our local time. So this platform, we've been anticipating the platform since last month, and finally it has launched after 15 days plus. So right now, this is Nebrix.dev, right? .dev. Now, what is platform all about? Briefly, this platform is about just investment into the AI to trade for you. That is what the AI does. The AI trades for you, and you earn 1.5% of your capital every blessed day. So the bot only works for 5 days in a week, just like normal, market trades that happens every day. So right now in this video, I'm not going to take much of the time. I'm going to show you how to navigate the platform. The link will be in the description below, the first link. Click there to register and get started now. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that it's a new platform and you can start earning immediately. Withdrawals are active, deposits are active. So let's get started. So the first thing you will do when you click the link to register is to put in your username, your email, okay, your password, and then allow the referral code to be there. Then click on register. When you've clicked on register, you will come. When you click on register, you will come over here to where you see profile. Here, right here, where you see sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. Right where you see profile, okay, and then click on it. Click on profile, then scroll all the way up and then click on this one, verify, because you have to verify your profile before you can do anything. You can actually make a deposit if you want us to make a deposit, but to withdraw you need to verify your account to unlock all the features in this platform, including the trading features. So what are you supposed to do? You're going to click on that verify right now. Then upload your government issued ID card, like international passport, like driver's license, like national ID card. Any government issued photo ID is accepted. Okay, so I'm going to do that briefly and I'll get back to the video. So immediately I uploaded my document, it was verified instantly. So you don't even need to wait for 2 minutes, for 50 seconds. No, it's very instant. Once you upload your document, it will be verified instantly. This is to also help protect your identity, your details on the system. Okay, so now as you can see, I am verified. All right, I have full access to trade on the platform. Also, if you look at this place, look at right here, you see verified. All right, so let's go ahead and make a deposit. Okay, you will click on this stuff you see right here, this one here. Okay, click here and then click on deposit. Automatic deposit send. This one is automatic deposit. So what you're going to do is to click right here, this one right here, that's your address. You click on your address and please read this information. Okay, you're going to be charged 2% for platform fee. Okay, and then you're going to be depositing minimum of $5 is needed to start with the platform. You get started with the platform. So you will deposit $5 under the BSC network, Binance Smart Chain network. Listen, don't go and send in another chain, it will not come. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my Trust Wallet. You can actually use your Trust Wallet, use your SafePal, use any of the exchanges you have account with. Okay, Binance, Bitgate.io. Okay, Bitgate, yeah. You can have .io and Get.io and the rest of the wallets that you have around. So after you make a deposit, you're gonna enter. So I'm gonna enter $6 here because of the fees I need to pay. Okay, so what I need to, okay, let me put in $5 here. If I put in $5, the amount I need to send is 5. Look at it here so that you won't make a mistake. The amount you need to make a deposit is amount and the fee, which is deposit plus $5, which is 0.10, is 0.10 cents plus $5. And then you now enter the transaction hash here after you've finished, and then you click on verify deposit. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now. So I've copied my address, yes, and I've entered $5 here. So what I'm going to do is, minimum is $5. You can deposit any amount. Like, this is my trial account, okay? So I'm going to still make a huge deposit later, yeah, because 1.5% on $5 is just $0.08 daily. So that's not much for me. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this and copy this thing, and then I'm gonna go over to my Trust wallet to make the deposit. So I am right here in my Trust wallet. So what I'm gonna do is to click on the USDT you see here. Click on USDT. It must be under BNB, and then you click on send. Then you paste the address you copied, and then enter the amount, 5 point this. That's how much you're gonna get. Okay, then you click on next. Remember, that's the amount you're gonna send, 5.10. if you're sending $5. Whatever you're sending will be reflected in the system. All right, so I'm going to click on confirm, and I will authenticate with my biometric. It to be confirmed. All right, it's processing. So I'm clicking on transaction details to see what's happening here. Okay, refreshing until it's done. Okay, sent. Let's see, completed. The next thing you're going to do after now is to click on more details here. If you're using Trust Wallet or SafePal, okay, click on more details here to take it to BSC scan so that you can get the transaction ID. Look at it here. Your transaction hash is here. So you click on copy. Please follow what I'm doing. Please follow what I'm doing. Then you head over to the site. To paste the transaction ID right here. Remember, put it right here and then paste. Then from there you can now click on verify deposit. Okay, so we're gonna wait a little time to allow them to verify the deposit. Okay, as you can see the notification that just left, I've made a deposit of $5 right here. Remember, it's very instant. The same thing with withdrawal and deposit, very instant. Okay, so what are you going to do next after this? You're going to head over to where you see trade now. Okay, let me show you. Trade now is right here. You click on trade now, and then you click on get started. That button you see, get started. Click on get started. Yeah, and then AI trading AI process is analyzing the system completed. So investment creator successfully invested $5. You will earn $1.5, which is 0.07 daily. You see that now? So it's very simple for you to get started with this platform. Very simple. You understand what I'm saying? Very simple. So total earning for today already, I've been paid the one of today already, is 0.08. Okay, so I will do other videos to guide you around the platform, to show you what to do and more ways to earn. Okay, because this video will be too long if I want to take time to explain every other features in the platform. Okay, so this is what it is. So that is it. So you can now enable trading now and let our system execute trades for you. So that is day one. So let's see all. Let's see all. All right. So you can only create one investment every 24 hours. Please try again 24 hours. So that is what it is. So tomorrow I will come back and do all for 90 days. Understand? So what happened is that I did only 1 day when I'm supposed to have done 90 days, so that the thing will be trading every day automatically for me. So you click on all, or 90 days or 30 days or 7 days, any one you want. All right, so that is it for the video, and this is today's earnings. Total revenue I've gotten so far, AI trend 24 hours. So now daily trading progress is 100% or 5%. So you're going to get 300% of the bonus of the deposit you've made. And then what I'm getting daily is 1.5. Then if I click on invest now, it will now do the process again the next day when I want to trade again the next day. Not today, because I'm done for today already. Okay, you see, I'm done for today already. So that will be tomorrow, Monday to Fridays only tomorrow. And that's it. So get started today. Just click the link in the description, get registered, get started. This is launched today. It was launched today, so it's still new for you to get started at the moment. And then we will see in another video. So I'm going to navigate the other aspects of the video and show you what you need to do. Thank you for watching this Web3 Bro. Once again, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we will see in another video. Thanks for watching.